Temptations fan for all 15 of my years here at the Q, and this is what you're getting. This is a set that you could use right now. You know how sometimes you see something and you're like, oh, that's for spring, or oh, I'll use that this summer. You get this home, use it right now. You're getting the spatula. You're getting the heart-shaped cookie cutter, Hello Valentine's Day. You're getting the microfiber towel, and you're also getting the gift box. So it's $15.72 for all the pieces. I know, it's just berserk. It's the first day at this lower price. Fun gift for Valentine's Day. We're gonna talk all about it. 3 easy payments of $524. Quickly, I wanna show you. We have the red, we have the confetti, we have the gray, we have the blue, we have the taupe, and then I think we have a few more down here. Come take a look. We have a damask, which is here, and I know Lisa Lasorda is here too to help me grab whatever I might have missed. But Lisa Lasorda is the Vice President of Merchandising and Broadcasting. She was up, when was your last show? 1 o'clock in the morning? 2 a.m.?
36 and a half
16
minutes ago.
seconds ago. Hi.
Good morning. Oh, wait, you're so soft and cuddly.
I know. Lisa's one of the people that I ran up to, and I was like, feel this sweater.
Totally right.
Lisa is a dear friend and absolute powerhouse in the kitchen, and we love our Temptations, and 21 years
Can you believe
now.
that?
Isn't that cool?
21
No, I
years.
can't believe it.
Yeah, we're young, we're old, but you know what? The reason we've been here for 21 years is because we have quality products that are affordable and beautiful. This is a huge gift alert to me, right?
Yes.
Because tuck this in your gift closet. I actually have a gift closet. I think Mark Charles and I both have a gift closet.
I do too.
I would guess. You do too?
I didn't know I did until my husband called it out.
Right?
Is the spatula heart-shaped, and is it acacia wood?
It's acacia wood.
I'm holding it up.
It is heart-shaped.
Look how cute
These
this
are
is.
essential pieces for the kitchen, right? So you will bring this out. You'll use it all the time. I can't with this. It's so cute. Comes in a gift box, so literally it's just a bow and go. And it comes with kitchen essentials like a towel, an oversized cutter, and I don't want to just say cookie because I've made pancakes with these, and you could do eggs with these. Biscuits. Yeah, so this is, look at that. Oh, Mare, I love you. Oh, I love you.
I love you too. I was going to grab one of the towels without knocking something over, but you know what?
Maybe right here.
Perfect. I was going to say maybe I'll just knock something over anyway.
And by the way, Mary, I would 100% use this as my tissue box and refill tissues in here. Yes, I would.
How smart.
Would that be so cute?
I mean, it's an adorable gift box, but wait, put the tissues in there. Look at the size of the microfiber towel, too. So just to recap, we get the towel, we get the spatula. Sorry, I just smacked my microphone. We get the cutter, the big cookie cutter. I love that you said for pancakes. And we also get the gift box. So we get all these pieces for $15 and change.
This one goes behind my back.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. So it's literally a 3-piece set with a gift box.
Adorable.
We are retiring this set, but it's great for the cook, it's great for the neighbor, it's great for your kids, it's great for anybody because it shows love, right? It's that beautiful expression of love. So I love, look at the size of this, Mare.
I know, and look, they made little
amazing,
cakes
it?
over here.
Yes.
That's a 2-person size easily.
That's exactly right. Think about what you just pay for each piece in here. What you pay for an oversized cookie cutter, what you pay for an acacia spoon, what you pay for a towel, and then it all comes in a gift box. Like, this is crazy, crazy good.
This
Seriously.
is a lovely gift for a neighbor. This is a lovely gift for your sister. I mean, obviously, if your sweetheart is a baker, this makes perfect sense. But I think of, you know, I would grab a couple of these for you, for Melissa, for Tara. Like, all my friends.
No, that's my gift to give you guys.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, don't take that idea. But the color choices. So we've got the confetti. This is the one in the back where you get that kind of smattering of our colors. But we're seeing old world and floral lace represented here. Next door is gray. Next door is blue. Then we have the taupe. I don't want to ignore the red that's down here in front. So there's your red. You can still grab that one. And then, if I'm not mistaken, we've got gray, confetti, blue, red, taupe.
Damask
is here. And then we have the damask over here. So wait a minute, look at even in the spatula where you could put a little string through and hang it up as a heart.
There's a heart. This is such a well thought out, just little pack up right here. Again, all quality pieces from that acacia wood spoon that automatically, subliminally says love. Then you're going to get that awesome cookie cutter. And by the way, here's the size cookie, but it's not just for cookies. Are you clean over there?
I'm just tidying.
I love pancakes. I love biscuits. You can do waffles, and you can do little omelets this way.
Oh.
So much fun.
Absolutely.
Just put this in the bottom of your pan and pour the egg right in there, and you're good to go.
Roll out your doughs, make some fun sweet treats, and that microfiber on this towel is not only cute, but is a workhorse in the kitchen.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So you're getting all of this for a great price, and you might not know who you're getting it for, but let me tell you, you get a couple of these home, and you're ready to go when you stop by someone's house.
Exactly.
Right? You're going to
Yes.
someone for wine and cheese. Instead of bringing a bottle of wine that, well, goes very quickly.
Yeah.
This will stay forever.
You got it. $15.72. Hey, I'll see you back in just a little bit. Ah, I'm so excited. Steal the meal.